goals and create positive changes. Now I call my friends to share key points to build self-belief. Embrace growth mindset. Understand that talents are developed through effort, not just innate ability. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you have to cultivate a positive, abundant mindset. Prioritize physical health, exercise regularly, eat healthy and get enough sleep to boost your energy and mental focus. Set small goals, achieve a small manageable milestone to build step by step. Take action, start working on action immediately. Action reduce fear and build confidence. Create a routine. Build a daily routine that includes self-care and time for your goal. Thank you. Avoid comparison. Focus on your own journey. Comparing yourself to others, especially on social media, limits potential, reduces confidence. Can positive self-talk replace thoughts of I can it, I can learn. What you tell yourself shapes your motivation and actions. Do not let the doubt or negativity words of others stop you. Stay focused on your own potential. Face your fears. Step outside in your comfortable zone. Daily build courage. Every flower starts as a small seed. It is buried under the soil. It faces darkness, pressure, rain and heat. But does it give up? No. It slowly grows, pushes to the soil and finally blooms beautifully. Yes, my dear friends, do not wait for someone else. You believe in your first, you believe in yourself. You shine like a sunflower and spread fragrance like a rose. In the garden of life, it's promised today. Kindly repeat it after me. I will believe in myself. I will work hard. I will bloom into the best version of myself. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Choices you make should all, we would like to thank all the fathers for giving us this wonderful opportunity to give a short talk on this theme, believe in yourself.
And we would like to thank class teacher of grade 3, Bosco Mhss, for inviting us to this meaningful theme-based special assembly.
We are very glad to congratulate all the students of grade 3 along with the class teacher Mrs. Nisha with her hard work. She brought out the talents wonderfully, and also the theme believe in yourself also brought out excellent.
Especially the dance and the action song, you performed very beautiful and it made everyone to enjoy this program.
The speech given by the boys and girls was really wonderfully highlighted the importance of believing yourself.
Today's theme is something very important, that is believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you gain courage and to learn and to succeed.
Yes, if we believe in ourselves, it will give us the confidence to face all the challenges in our life. We all know that. But some of us find very difficult in believing in ourselves and in our abilities.
I could also hear some of them saying that, I can't, I'm not capable, I'm not able to try it once again. Why? What has happened to the self-belief?
That is, I think, because of their past negative experiences, like failures, mistakes, difficulties, struggles, made them not to believe themselves. All these negative experiences, first, it brought them the negative thoughts, negative words, finally it reduces their self-belief.
What can we do now? How can we make them to believe in themselves?
There are many ways, but here we are going to give 3 steps. It will help them to believe in themselves. First one is, we all believe God in our life. God is with us always. He is helping us in all our situations. In the same way, we should also believe that we are created with unique talents, abilities, strength. It is always within us. It will help us. But only thing we have to find out and make use of it. Second one is to find out our abilities, talents. First of all, we should take our everyday today's task seriously, and in spite of all our failures and mistakes, without the giving up, if you persevere every day to complete your task, surely you can find out your talents and abilities. Finally, with the small experiences, you will feel happy and success. It will give you self-confidence. So, my dear students, these important steps, if you take it into heart and put it into practice, sure it will help you to believe in yourself.
Yes, my dear students, if you believe in yourself, you will try to achieve your dream. You will never give up.
So, my dear students, believe in yourself, trust your abilities and be positive always.
Sure, you will achieve all the